Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel for another Novsight review. And today we will review the Novsight F06 series LED headlight bulbs. This video is proudly supported by Novsight Auto Lighting. Now, just a quick background, the global patent brand Novsight specializes in the design, research and development, production, and sales of automotive lighting products. The company's main products include LED headlight bulbs, LED fog lamps, and other automobile lighting products. Alright guys, now here's the Novsight F06 LED headlight bulbs. Of course, we have our free hand gloves and the owner's manual. Now if you look at the Novsight F06, it looks pretty much similar to the F03. The Novsight F06 series LED headlight bulbs are using automotive grade LED chips. These are powered with 100 watts with operating voltage at 12 to 24 volts. Its light output has 2000 lumens, meaning each bulb has 10,000 lumens output. Now the light color temperature is 6000 kelvins, very bright white color. The product material was made out of red copper and aluminum alloy, and these are IP68 rated, waterproof and dustproof. Alright, so now let's go ahead and install these into our Honda Brio. The installation is so easy. Just remove the stock bulb from the headlight housing and install the Novsight F06 LED bulbs. Alright, now let's go ahead and put the other one. Alright, our Novsight F06 LED bulbs are now installed. Now let's do a quick test. Alright, everything is working, and as you see how I switch the high and low beams. Now it's time to do a quick road test using the Novsight F06. So what you see right now is the actual footage where I'm using the Novsight F06 series LED headlight bulbs. It has great light output and it's whiter. Now if you're gonna compare it to its predecessor, the F03 series. You can clearly see the road because of its brightness and improved light output. And personally, I like this better than F03 because of the improved light output. Now overall, this is a great product with a great price point. The price is within the range of the F03 series, but this one will give you a better performance and better light output.
Again, thank you so much, Novsight, for partnering with me to do this review. So, if you guys have any questions about the product, put it into the comment section below, and I will also share a link for those who wants to purchase this online through Lazada. Alright guys, again, thank you so much for watching. And again, my name is Dan. Always be safe and God bless. And I'll see you on our next video.